Hi friends, good afternoon. Hoping and expecting all are safe and fine. So today specifically this session for foundation students, because tomorrow you are going to conduct first time online examination, which is similar as original examination. So this is the first time in history you are going to attend the online examination. This is the first step whatever institute has taken, so you just be feel proud of it. Whatever the instruction they are given, mock test how they will conduct, and whatever the requirements are there, prerequisitions they given here, so I will just read that and important point I will highlight. So just listen this video till end, so it will be helpful for all of you for foundation course. Let us start. This examination they will conduct on 30th August 2020. It means tomorrow Sunday. You can see here they are given the timing 30th August 2020 Sunday 10 a.m. to 20:25 a.m. for two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Then you have 10-minute break, and 10:35 to 11 again you have two papers. So within 11 o'clock we will finish the examination. Now they are telling the whatever the requirements are there. I will just read this, and whatever important point I will tell. Only eligible candidates for the September 2020 foundation course examination will be allowed to appear in this mock test. Whoever eligible means already whoever paid for this examination, you are only eligible for this. Other students are not eligible, this they are telling. So next, detailed guidelines for the foundation course examination will be released soon. Whatever the guidelines and whatever the requirements they will release soon, as they are telling, because this is a mock test paper. So they will also get to know if while conducting this test kind of a papers what and all, they will also face the problem and student will face the problem. So they are also doing trial and error. So I am expecting whoever eligible, please sit and check how it will be conduct, because I think future they will conduct online only for foundation, this is damn sure. So please sit and you also do trial and error. So let us see next point. Please regularly check your registered email ID with and SMS for more update from ICMI. Whenever you are registered the foundation course, that time you whatever email ID and mobile number you have given, that email ID and mobile number only you will get the updates. So I had already someone asked me question that ma'am, which email ID and mobile number will get the details. What while registered time, whatever the mail ID and mobile number you have given, that mobile number and email ID only you will receive the updates. So please careful while registering, because you should get update means you should register proper mobile number. So next point, detail will be shared with the all student on their register mail ID on updates, and link of examination, unique email ID and mobile number is also required for appearing the examination. Obviously registered email ID and mobile number required. It's highly recommended to appear mock test on 30th August 2020 on 10 a.m. through the schedule link provided by the examination department. This mock test will allow you to get familiar with the system and guidelines of online examination. It is also recommended to use the same system for the actual test on 6th September 2020 to save time for system checking, as well as avoid any inconvenience on the actual day of the examination. So they are telling you should have to attempt. It is highly recommended to appear mock test on 30th August 2020 at 10 a.m. So they are telling tomorrow you have to attend the exam whoever eligible. 30th August, that is a Sunday, tomorrow 10 a.m. And they are telling whichever you are using for mock test paper, whichever laptop or mobile you are using, that only you use for the 6th September, whatever they are final means main exam they are conducting that time. Obviously this logic is only that because you should not feel any inconvenience that time. If you one time or two time if you tried on that mobile or system, you will get to know how to use and how to not, whatever complications you will face. So that they are telling to avoid inconvenience, you use the same laptop for the 6th September also. Now whatever you are using tomorrow, mobile and laptop, you can use same on the that day. So before the examination what and all you have to be ready, they are telling here. Just I will read here. Before the examination, first point, please keep your government identity proof, voter ID, driving license, Aadhaar, etc., student ID card with you before starting the mock test. This need to be uploaded on the online examination page before starting the examination. Before starting the examination, you have to keep with you your voter ID or driving license or Aadhaar card and student ID. So this is required and you have to upload that before examination starting. So before starting, whatever they will give, might be they will give some time whenever it will start. So that's what this mock test paper is very important to attend, because whatever problem you will face, you can contact with the institute and you can discuss. So they will solve that, because they also want to know what and all you will face. So keep these documents with you. Please keep your login details, registration ID and passkey. So your login ID, whatever details, registration number, obviously you have. Passkey they will share soon. Whenever you will start the examination, might be you will get. That is a common. Shared or mail ID in hard copy. Write on paper before starting the examination. Once you open the examination page, you will not be able to access your mail files on your computer, laptop and mobile. So when you will start the exam, when you will appear, that when you will start your examination will start, that time your system or mobile will freeze, because it won't access other documents except your exam question paper. So you just keep in mind, because this will be happen, they will freeze, because it is a all technical way they will do. How you are seeing, your webcam should be very clear, because they will see whoever monitoring you, where you are seeing, where you are not seeing, all and each and everything they will monitor you. So be careful about that, because how much it is might be easy or difficult first time it is. Let's see how you will face. If any foundation student, whoever appearing, if you are facing any problem or doubts, please comment, please message in comment box. We will try to solve the problems, because I know tomorrow after exam lot of people will struggle lot of ways, because this is the first time and each and everyone have one of other problems. So please message in comment box. So immediately before 6th September we will solve that, and we'll see how it will be work. Okay. So please keep your login details, registration ID, name and passkey shared over mail ID in hard copies. Write on a paper before starting the examination. Once you open the examination page, you will be not able to access your mails, files or your computer, laptop, mobile. So it will freeze wherever you are giving the examination. Might be computer will freeze, means that other documents won't open. Laptop also same, mobile also same. Please sit in a quiet room. Try to avoid bright lights behind you, example windows. So wherever you are sitting, sit in silent room, quiet room. And if you are getting more light from windows, so try to avoid it, because they cannot monitor you where you are saying what you are doing. So please take care of that. Please update your Google Chrome and give permission to your webcam and microphones for setting before you download the application on your computer, laptop and mobile. They are telling whatever the Google Chrome and webcam, microphone, you should check it is updated and it is active or not. So that you have to do before examination. So morning or today night only you start the checking how it will work and all. So you'll get to know, because this is everyone has excitement of this, how it will work. Let's see what will happen. The examination will start sharp 10 a.m. Please ensure login at 10 a.m. Here time sense is more important, because 10 a.m. and it is not like offline examination, ma'am sir 5 minutes 10 minutes, it won't work, because it is online. So it will calculate machine to machine. So please ensure you have to sit at sharp 10 a.m. Please make sure you have enough power backup, so in case of electricity failure, your laptop or mobile does not shut down, switch off. Also please use the fast and reliable internet connection during the exam, so that you do not face any internet issues. Obviously whenever you are giving exam through online, you have to take care of this internet, whatever internet speed, mobile battery backup or laptop battery backup, and whatever the connections, it should not go power failure. If you power failure also, you should need ultimate solution also. So you should careful about that. Now they have given the links to check the working functionality of your webcam, microphone, and use the following links. So you have to check today only. You can sit and do some trial and error on your laptop or mobiles. You can check your webcam, microphones, how it is using, and how, if it is not using, make it clear and make it proper way, so you will get to know how it is working or not. They given for testing purpose this two links: test your webcam, test your microphone. So you can click on check that. Basic infrastructure requirement for examination laptops and desktop. Basic infrastructure requirement for the examination laptop and desktop. Continuous internet connection with 1 to 4 mbps. They said about speed what you required here: 1 to 4 mbps speed. Laptop or desktop with webcam and microphone functioning. Recommended browser Google Chrome latest version. So you have to careful with this. You just update if you are not done till now. Just update with this. Now if you are going through mobile phone, if you are giving exam through mobile, Android version 5 and above. So smartphones you can use Android, they are giving. So Android version 5 and above. So below that it won't work, that software won't support for that. So Android version 5, just update it. Mobile phone with functional front camera. Mobile phone with functional front camera should be active and it should be clear, so you will see the whatever the question paper clearly. So be ready for with mobile phone, this Android version 5 and above, and phone with functional front camera. So now during the examination, what and all you have to take care. The test is webcam and microphone enabled. Webcam and microphone you have to enable, then it will start. If the webcam microphone is not detected at the time of starting the test, the question paper will not load. If it is not enabled, you cannot able to load the question paper. So keep mind what and all you have to take care of this, because this is the first time. I know all have some excitement also, and some might be some kind of thoughts how it will work. Nothing will happen, just enter, let's see what will happen. You have to enter, then we'll see what will happen. If any, because this is that reason they given this mock test paper. So I am expecting all should sit who were eligible, so you will get to know what and all you will face the problem. So if a webcam microphone is not detected at the time of starting the test, the question paper will not load. Kindly allow the webcam microphone access before the test. So you can allow them to access before only, before starting only you have to allow them microphone and webcam. So it will help for the examination time. So you first try today night.